Hey, how's it going? So today I'm again with Hope. So we are going to be doing the Kettlebell Strikes for losing the love handles, and we'll be showing you how to progress. You want to speak anything about
Yeah,
it?
well, we're also going to show you how you can work your whole body basically just with the kettlebell, working your thighs and your glutes as well as your core. So this is a good workout for all different areas.
So Hope is going to show the beginner's part. So let's see how to do it.
So first we're going to start just with the traditional two-hand kettlebell swings paired with the squat. So I'm going to show you how to do that and talk about some of the different parts of your body that works. Okay. You're going to go up and down with your kettlebell, holding on to it. You really want to make sure that you're not just letting the momentum of the kettlebell take you, that you're holding it up top and holding your squat position below. This is going to work your thighs and your glutes and obviously your arms. Make sure you're finding that good sumo squat position that's really good for those glutes. You can even add a stand up straight with the kettlebell and squeeze your glutes. That also helps. Get squeezed when you get to the top. Okay, so now we're going to do the kettlebell strikes, which is going to work your love handles on either side. So this is paired with what we call the around the world. Ooh, I'm a little out of breath from that last exercise. Okay, so you're going to go both to the right and left direction. So first I'm going to go to the right. So you're going to go around, grab the bottom, strike. And you want to make sure that you're doing it right, and you know you're doing it right by feeling that pull of the muscle right here in your love handle. That's the area we're targeting. So again, grab the bottom, strike. That is definitely pulling this love handle for sure. Right now, the opposite way, grabbing the bottom. You want to make sure that you keep your feet flat. I have a tendency to want to turn this foot, but you want to keep it other way. Now, when you do that last come around, you're switching hands. You want to grab the bottom with the opposite hand. Again, around, grab. I did the other way that time, but that is okay.
So I think you saw the beginner version, which Hope showed you. She just practiced today and she did really good. So it's going to take some time. So stick with it. And now the advanced version is going to be like you can do kettlebell swings with a single hand and then do elbow strikes basically from in between your legs other than around the world. So this is how you do it. First you start with a single hand kettlebell swings. So you breathe in, breathe out, change your hand. Again, this is an advanced version. So make sure that you can do like at least 50 of the beginner's version before you start doing this. And now the strikes. So what you do here is like with a single hand, you swing it to the front, in between your legs, and go this way. Make sure you're always breathing in and breathing out. You should feel it in your you should feel it in your waist area on either side of your sacral bone. And you should get the feeling that your love handles are melting away. And most probably they are sculpting your waist as well. It will not happen overnight, but it's definitely going to happen. So hold here, hold, Hold. So that's the Kettlebell Strikes advanced version. So I think you had fun watching the Kettlebell Strikes.
Thank you for putting up with me as I'm just learning how to do it. And I was forgetting where to put my hand. I think you got the gist. And if it's hurting in the right areas, you know that you're doing it right. And that you're definitely going to burn fat in those very annoying areas. Those areas that you just want to pinch, it drives you so crazy. And this is a great way to melt that fat away.
Yeah, that's right. And it may feel weird when you're doing first, but just keep doing it and you'll feel it after some time. So have a good day.